Hey guys, so in this episode right now, I want to give you all a quick little tip to help you get rid of your cough. So first of all, you need to take medicine if you're supposed to. If you're like got the flu or something, or anything like that. But also, if you don't have that, then here's some other solutions. You drink water, drink plenty of water, stay hydrated. There's a lot of coughs that can be caused by dehydration. Like you just don't have the energy to do it sometimes. But so you gotta drink water, eat, and personally I find it that because asthma runs in my family, so run a lot, then I do start coughing a little bit. So I'm right there. But yeah, those are a few tips. If you want more tips, then just go ahead and comment below, and I will do more tips.